people also try and build their houses according to the environment which is there. For example, if there is an area which receives very heavy rainfall, then generally you will see that the roofs of the houses are slanting in nature, so that the water can slope down. If the water accumulates, it is an area of heavy rainfall and the water gets accumulated, then the houses are built on a raised platform. And in the hot areas, you generally see that the houses are built of thick mud and they have a thatched roof. So this is just to protect themselves, to adjust themselves according to the environment wherein they are dwelling. The second thing that we have to see in the chapter is about transportation. As far as transportation is concerned, transport means moving the people and the goods from one place to another. That is called as transportation. In the earlier times, the goods and men transported themselves and their goods in a very slow manner. It took them months and years to move from one place to another because they used to move on their legs. Then came the invention of the wheel, which slowly transformed, and thus the transportation became little quicker. Slowly the changes were occurring, but still it was a long way to go before we could get a good means of transportation. Even today in India, we have donkeys, mules, camels and bullocks which are used as means of transportation, which are slow in nature. When people started coming from outside India, or when people started going from India to other countries for trade and other things, that is the time they used either sea or land routes. That again was very tiring and time consuming. But now things have changed drastically with the coming of aeroplanes. It takes only 6 to 8 hours to reach Europe from India. So that is better and quicker and faster means of transportation available now. There are 4 means of transport now available to the people, which are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. And we shall be discussing about all the 4 ways of transport in detail.